16 bean soup out of the freezer in the pot. Sharp cheddar?
Yeah, white sharp cheddar. Remember Sam, the cooking guy?
Yeah.
He said he's never seen yellow milk.
Jalapeno cheddar cornbread. So basically I'm going to take this Jiffy corn mix, 1 egg and some milk, jalapenos, and some cheddar. Mix it up and put it in this pie pan, and we're going to bake it for...
Toaster
yeah,
oven?
just, do you mind preheating that for 400? 400 and then toaster oven.
Here, you're going to need this anyway.
Yep.
1 egg?
1 egg. And a little bit of milk. 1 egg. A little bit in to start. Because I don't know how much juice I'm going to get from the jalapenos.
Should be.
Oh, can you give me some butter? Just a stick. I like to put it on top.
A stick?
Yeah, just, I'm not going to use the whole stick. Just get me a stick that's in the fridge. Should we do 2 boxes?
That's all it made?
Yeah. All right, give me another box. We'll do 2 boxes. All right, so we're going to do 2 boxes, so I'm going to get another egg.
That's not enough.
No, it's not enough. Egg in. Going in with the second box. Just going to try to beat in these clumps. More milk. A little bit more milk. I don't measure off of the box. I just kind of go with the consistency that I want. That's good. That's really good. A vigorous whisk. Going in with some cheddar. Spoonula. Here. Now I'm going to put in some of the jalapeno. Well, I'm just going to dump them all. Didn't even chop them up, just throwing them in there.
Oh.
It smells good. Basically, I'm just going to incorporate the cheddar and the jalapenos together. Now I'm going to dump it in the pie pan. And we have greased the pie pan.
Well, you didn't put the cheese in yet.
I did. I didn't put all of it, but I put a good bit of it.
Oh.
Do you want me to put cheese on top?
No, it's going to burn.
We could put it in at the end. Do you want all the cheese in there? That's a lot of cheese.
That's a lot of cheese. I'll put some in the soup.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to move this around a little bit. Get it even. And then I'm going to put little butter pats on top and bake it off.
Start with 15.
We'll start with 15 minutes. But
You can always
first,
cook it, well, can't uncook it.
I want to get some butter on top. Perfect. We like butter in this house. I'm just saying.
It's good. Only use that when it happens.
Couple more pats and we're done. All right, so there's the butter on top, and I'm going to put this in the toaster oven. And we have it at 400. So I'll put this in for about 15 minutes to start. Oh, it's clean.
Perfect.
Yep. Take a picture because it's perfect. All right, so we have the cornbread down, and then we're going to put the soup on top and have that as our dinner. Y'all let me know in the comments if you would try this. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.